Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Keith, and you're watching Barbara's Auto Help. So this is the charcoal canister that I recently took out of an '05 Hyundai Sonata 2.7 liter, and as you can see, the charcoal pellets came through and clogged up the evap system. Pretty common occurrence on these Hyundais here. So I did make a video explaining the repair process that I went through on that '05 Hyundai Sonata, but I wanted to make another video to show you what's inside this thing. And I was kind of curious myself to see just how exactly this thing failed. So I took the old handsaw there and I cut along the top here and cut the whole top off pretty even there. Take that off and see what we got. Got that right there. And then we got this little doohickey right here that kind of blocks off that area where the charcoal pellets sit. Just pull that out just like so. And there's all your charcoal pellets. And it looks like I got a little bit of a screen here, and it looks like this little screen is actually what failed on it. Now I think that these may just fail on their own regardless of what you do to your vehicle, but this guy that on this particular charcoal canister here on the '05 Hyundai Sonata, he admitted that he was overfilling his gas tank and liquid fuel was getting down in this charcoal canister here. And that probably expedited that process a little bit there. Basically, with that part of that screen being gone there, it's pretty much a straight shot. And this was in there too, by the way. It's pretty much just a straight shot from that chamber with all the pellets to where the vent tube on the filler neck hooks up to it. So, and we'll take it apart further here, so just to satisfy your curiosity. Let's see if I can pull this up here. There's another chamber. So you basically got two chambers filled up with charcoal pellets. Now these charcoal pellets, and by the way, I should be wearing some nitrile gloves right now. I'm not being a good example. You always want to wear nitrile gloves or some kind of protective gloves whenever you're working on automobiles and around components that are on automobiles to protect your skin. But anyway, when I first took this out, some of the charcoal pellets fell out on the ground, and they weren't as hard as they are right now. These things have hardened up pretty good, but they were kind of spongy. They were sort of fat, and you could squeeze them and they'd kind of dissolve. So I'd imagine that not only did this little screen here fail due to the vapor and also the liquid gas, but also these pellets could have swelled up inside there and pushed up against it and kind of speeded up the process of that screen failing there. So anyway, just wanted to take this apart, show you what's on the inside there, and kind of figure out a little bit more what's going on with these things, and hope that this helps you. If you have any questions, comment down below. Please read the entire description down below this video. More very important information can be found there. Please read that, guys. And as always, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.